Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hadidi Makeovers. So if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And yeah, let's get started. So for today's turban, we are going to be tying let's say it's a casual turban, and you can also use it as a bride. So our raw silk for today, it's going to be, the ratio for our raw silk is going to be 70-30. That's one hand is longer than the other hand. That's the other side is longer than the other side. And this raw silk in general is a 70 inches long raw silk. So as you can see, I placed it from the back. So I'm going to be pleating the longer side first. I'm going to be pleating that and making sure the raw silk is secured. I'm asking her to hold the shorter hand so that when I pleat it, it doesn't slip off. So the longer hand will be behind her ear. That's the other side of the longer hand, because I want the front part of the turban to be in a V-shaped style. So as you can see, I'm bringing the shorter hand up and then pleating it on top of the longer hand. Can you see that? So after pleating the shorter hand, I'm going to be pressing that down firmly and securing it with a pin. Can you see? I'm just securing it so it doesn't fall. So I'm going to be bringing back the longer hand from behind. Where can you see that? I'll just continue my pleats. So you want, and yeah, a tip for today is that I would recommend you use a shorter sorry I would recommend you use your model, the person you're going to be tying the turban on. I recommend you use a smaller chair. She should sit on a smaller chair so you can see everything you're tying. Like, only if you're tall, you're very tall, taller than her, like if you're taller than your model, you can just do it on a longer chair. But what I do is, after doing the makeup on a longer chair, I bring my model down to a smaller chair so that when I'm pleating or making any style of turban or gilly, I'll make sure I'm seeing everything from the back to the front and everywhere the middle. So that's also going to help you when you pleat the scarf. So as you can see, I'm done. I just pleated like 5 more pleats on top, and I'm going to be securing that at the back. I'm going to be bringing the shorter hand, the one already inside, I'm going to be bringing that to the front and to the back rather, and then joining it with this longer hand and then tying a knot. After tying, I'm going to secure it with a pin, and that's it. So after securing it, I'm going to be bringing out the remaining part of the raw silk. Can you see that? It's just that's the remaining part of it. So what we are going to do now is, it's up to you. You can pleat it down, you can make a ruffle, you can make whatever style you feel you want it to be like, as far as you've already pleated the front and it's looking neat. So that's the idea behind tying a beautiful turban. After this, you just for me, I decided to just make a side ruffle. You can make a ruffle all round, you can make a ruffle to the side, to the middle, anywhere you want it to be. Just be creative on your own. So guys, as you can see, I am done with the ruffles, but for the sides I'm going to make sure I pull the turban to the back. It always looks beautiful. This is the finishing touches. And also bring out the ear loop. If she's already putting on her earrings, you just arrange that and make sure everything is secured. And then boom, this is the gele, this is the turban style. I hope you guys love it. And yeah, please drop a comment down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also don't forget to turn on your notification bell. This is Hadidi Makeovers once again. I love you guys so much. I'll see you next week Tuesday. Bye.